Last video, you can select menu buttons with keyboard and move player with keyboard too. In this video, learn how to use Gamepad to play our game. Use joystick or button to control player, using new input system. How to apply joystick or other buttons on Gamepad. All Gamepad button into C# script just in 1 second. Add Gamepad controller super easy without changing your code. How to use joystick to move player. How to detect on button press down, on button press up, or button is holding. Use Gamepad in your game is easier than ever. Step 1. You must install plugin input system. Enter name input system, then click install. It will ask you restart Unity to finish. After install successfully. Step 2. Go to project setting. Menu player, other settings. Go to active input handling. Switch to both old and new input system as well. Click apply to restart Unity. In project setting, this is your old input manager, and this is new input system you just installed. Let's activate it. And our step 3, add Gamepad input. If you use only joystick or Nintendo, you must add it here as well. In this video, we use Gamepad only. All initial setup is done. Create new folder. Name it New Input System. New Input Action. Name it New Input Action. You should use all same names in this video. I will explain it later. Step 1. Add Action Map. Name it Basic Action Map. Step 2. On Action tab. Let's add left analog for player movement. Action type to select a one-click button or a joystick for 2D vector. Left analog will have value of vector 2 to move player. Binding to select some button on Gamepad for this left analog. Apply left stick. We usually move player with joystick and with up down left right button too. You can rename these button is D-pad. Button up to select button up from Gamepad. Down to select button down from Gamepad. Do the same for button left and button right too. We finished all buttons for player movement already. Next, let's add some button for jump. Jump will be a one-click button. You can choose any button for it. I will choose button north to jump. Next, apply button run. Run is a one-click button. I will select button east. Apply button enter for menu selected. On Gamepad, it always button start. In our game, we need to move up down to select menu. Let's add select up to move icon up. Select button up on Gamepad to do that. Select down to move down arrow icon. Choose button down for it. We finish all buttons for Gamepad now. Save asset. Now you can select Generate C# class to convert new input action you just finish to a C# script. It will have same name with your input action. Now you can use Gamepad buttons in your game. Create empty object with name Gamepad input. Create new C# script. Name it Gamepad Input. Add this script into Object Gamepad Input. Open it. You can get this script under Video. Just copy all the code inside. Go to your script, paste it. That's it. All Gamepad buttons are ready to use now. If you use any different names, you can easily change it also. New input action is name of your input action. There are 2 locations of them here. Basic action map is name of action map. If you have different name, you have to change it at 4 locations here. Left analog is name of first action. If you use another name, fix its name here. Gamepad input is name of this C# script. If you have different name, change its name here. On script gamepad input, you can see left analog vector 2 value. Connect your gamepad to PC with a USB cable. Then press play. On your gamepad, move left joystick. You will see its value will be showed here. Now press button on D-pad, up, down, left, right button. Gamepad button worked well. Object gamepad input is inside, don't destroy on load. It means your gamepad button's still working when moved to another scene. How to select this menu by using your gamepad. Last video, we learned how to move arrow icon by using up arrow or down arrow on keyboard. Now let's add gamepad input into this menu manager script. Name it Gamepad Input Component. On scene is loaded or on awake. Let's find any C# script or component gamepad input to add to this variable. Now you can get anything from gamepad input. Let's do the same these keyboard buttons. To move arrow icon go up or down. Check if button up or down on gamepad is pressing. When any gamepad button is pressed down, variable and button down will be changed. And this is dictionary type, with value as true or false. When a gamepad button is pressed, its name is added on button down. To move arrow icon go up or down, we have button select up and select down on gamepad. Let's add name of select up into. Select up value will be true if it is pressed down. You can move arrow icon go up now, same as keyboard up arrow is pressed. Copy this code. Do the same for select down or button down on gamepad. After arrow icon go up or down, then you press enter or button start to select that menu. Add one more button for button enter. When button enter is pressed, menu is select and move to another scene. Save your script. Press play. Press button up or down on gamepad to move arrow icon up and down, then press button start on gamepad to move to game scene. On game scene, gamepad buttons are working. We will use left analog vector 2 for move vector to move our player. Open your game scene. To move player by gamepad buttons, we will add gamepad input into player controller. Add component gamepad input into our script. With name gamepad input component. When scene is loaded or on awake, we search for any component gamepad input and add it into this variable. On update event, let disable keyboard buttons and create new void event for gamepad controller. Now let's copy all buttons of player movement from keyboard controller and paste it to gamepad controller. To move player to right, button D is pressed. On gamepad, value X of left analog vector greater than 0 will move player to right. To move player to left, left joystick turn to left side or button left is pressed, or X value will less than 0. If no buttons are pressed, player will stop movement. Player jump whenever button jump is pressed down. You already know how to detect a button pressed down on gamepad by using OnButtonDown. You added button jump on gamepad. Add its name into. How about button run? When button run is up, running is turned off. To check if a button is up, use OnButtonUp. We added button run on gamepad already. Add its name into. If button run is holding, running is turned on. To check if a button is holding on gamepad, we use OnButtonHold. Add name of button run into. We finished all buttons on gamepad for player movement. Press play to see final result. From home scene, select start game to go to game scene. You can move player with gamepad now. Button jump works. Button run works as well. Every gamepad buttons work perfect. Even you can move player with joystick with no problems as well. Don't forget to subscribe my channel to save this video. Thank you for watching, and see you in next video.